Greetings, I'm Ms. Kingsley, and this video is for third grade. I'm going to be going over Mountain Math, Set 7, Problems 10 through 12. So the idea is, as always, that you do these problems first before you watch me do them. And here we go. We'll take a look at the problems, and we'll start with number 10. What fraction is shaded? So we're looking at the fraction is shown on this bar graph down here, and we have two parts shaded out of 4 equal parts in one whole. So this fraction is written this way, 2/4. Okay, let's go on to problem 11. Problem 11 is another fraction problem, and we have to write in the fraction on each side. So on this side, we have 1 part out of 3 equal parts in one whole, and that is 1/3. Okay, and on the right, we have 2 parts shaded out of 3 equal parts in the whole, and that is written this way, 2/3. So you can see if this was, I don't know, a cake or something that you cut up, or a candy bar, this side is less than this side, and so we circle this one. Okay, our number 12 is often our challenging problem because it's elapsed time. So we're going to take a look at this and see how to go about solving it. Lindsay's play rehearsal began at 4:15. The rehearsal ended at 5:30. How long was the rehearsal? So how much time went by? How long did the rehearsal last? So label and show your work using the number line. So one of the challenges is labeling this number line. I went ahead and did this off camera. So you can see I'm going in 5-minute intervals here, starting at 4:15. So 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. The trick here is to know that then it's 5 o'clock because we don't have a time with 60 in it. Okay, so let's say we got that labeled. Then we still have to figure out how long was the rehearsal. To use the number line, what we would do is we would count how many times we added 5 minutes. So I'm going to count them in hops. So let's do our hops. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I have 15 times 5 minutes, right? So we're going to go ahead and do that math problem. And we get 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2, 75. So there are 2 ways to write this answer. We could write 75 minutes. I'm going to put it up here. Perhaps the better way would be to write it as 1 hour and 15 minutes. Well, how did I get that? So we know 60 minutes are in an hour. So I'm going to subtract 1 hour of minutes and get 15. And that tells me that 75 minutes is the same amount of time as 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, now I want you to see it on a clock. Maybe it helps make more sense. So remember, she started at 4:15. So this is 4 o'clock. How do we get to 4:15? Well, we're going to need to move our minute hand, which is our long skinny one. So the short hand goes on the hour, the long one goes on the minute. To go to 4:15, I go 5, 10, 15. That's our starting time, okay? Our ending time is 5:30. So I could also do this on the clock, seeing how much time has gone by to get to 5:30. So let's see what happens if I go 1 hour, which is 1 full rotation. Okay, 1 hour gets me to 5:15. Okay, I'm not at 5:30 yet. I still need to get to 5:30. So now I'm going to count by fives and go 5:15. So, and to get to 5:30, I'm going to go down here. So I'm going to go 5, 10, 15. And that gets me the same answer here, which is I moved the minute hands to go 1 hour, one full rotation around, and then 15 more minutes to get to my final time of 5:30. So hope that was helpful. Elapsed time is very challenging, and it's something you can practice with parents or guardians around. As you get older, you get more and more used to it. So keep trying, and hope this video was helpful, and I will see you next time. Bye.